These are the 5 things I make in Instant Pot and always get great results. First one is dal, lentils or any type of beans. I used to cook my dals and beans in a pressure cooker. There used to be a big mess on my kitchen counter whenever the whistle blew. Instant Pot has saved that. I don't have to turn my cooktop off because it takes care of it. The second thing that I absolutely love to make in Instant Pot is Kheer. It's a great Indian dessert, but it usually takes a long time to cook traditional way. But when you cook it in Instant Pot, it is done in 30 minutes with a perfect consistency. And you don't have to worry about milk burning or any of that hassle. The third thing that I've made in Instant Pot is yogurt, and it has come out really good. Fourth thing that I absolutely love to cook in Instant Pot is my pasta. I don't have to worry about any type of spillover, and it's done fairly quickly. And my last thing that I cook, or you can say prep in Instant Pot, is my idli and dosa batter. In winter days when it's not very warm, this is the perfect way to make the dosa batter fermented, and the idlis and dosas turn out great.